Toilet troubles? Well, then you've come to the right place. Today is part 3 of our series on how to find and fix a leak in your toilet tank. To see if the answer to your problems is in today's episode, stay tuned. Welcome everyone to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Before we launch into today's episode, a quick disclaimer. Today's episode is going to be a basic overview of some common fixes only. If you attempt to make any of these repairs on your own, do some research first. And if you're ever in doubt, give a plumber a call. It's always better to be safe than sorry. If you feel a little lost, take a few minutes now and go back and watch the first 2 parts of this series. So, you've discovered there's a leak in your toilet tank. Now, what do we do? The most straightforward answer is to give Peterman a call, and we'll get you taken care of. But if you're interested in some DIY solutions, here they are. Given hard water is one of the leading causes of toilet tank leaks, the first thing you can do is clean the tank. If you want to clean it by hand, start by turning off the water and draining the tank, and then you can more easily clean the inside of the tank. Instead, we recommend flushing the tank and filling it with white vinegar and allowing it to soak overnight. Do this for a few nights and see if the leak stops. If not, the next step is to check your float level and pull chain. A float that is set too high can allow water to flow continuously into the overflow, and a pull chain that is set too short can prevent the flapper from sealing correctly. Adjust the float level on your fill valve and make sure your pull chain has enough slack. If this works, great. If not, it may be time to replace your tank's internals. To do this, you will need a new fill valve assembly, a new flapper, pliers or channel locks, a bowl, a towel, and if needed, a shop vac. Depending on the type of leak you have, you may only need to replace one of these items, but we will show you how to replace both for our video. Step 1 is always turn off the water at the fill line. Next, flush the toilet to get rid of the majority of the water. If you want, you can use a shop vac to clear out the rest of the water at this point. Next, place your bowl under the supply nut underneath your toilet's tank to catch any excess water. Next, unscrew the supply nut and retaining nut using your pliers when needed for extra leverage. Next, remove the old fill valve and replace it with a new one. Make sure you follow any directions that come with the new part to ensure proper function. Then attach the fill line to its proper place on the overflow tube. Now you can attach the new retaining nut under your tank. Make sure not to over-tighten, then reattach the fill line. Now you can remove the flapper's pull chain from the flush handle lever and gently detach it from the 2 studs on either side of the flush tube. Attach the new flapper to the tube and attach the chain to the flush handle, making sure the seal is secure. Now you can turn the water back on and test. Again, if you run into a snag at any point, please give us a call and we'll send out one of our plumbers to get you taken care of. I hope you found today's video helpful. Come back again for even more tips, tricks, and product spotlights from the Homeowner's Handbook.